Oh boy. I forgot to feed the kids last night. Gosh darn it. Surprised that they didn't come find me last night when I was sleeping. I mean, they ate that thing bone dry. There you go, kids. Never do anything for us anyhow. Oh, I see little buddy's awake. What's he doing up early? Well, he's got cattle to go haul, I guess. So we'll say good morning to little buddy. We'll be on our merry way. So we will go on ahead and pull up on the scales ahead and shine our lights towards that cage there so we can see to unlock the building. Ford backhoe over here, we just got done doing a service on it, and it'll go be thrown back out in the cold. Taking a backhoe back over. It's a heat wave this morning of 14. We're done with the backhoe so we can pull something else in and resurrect it. Or should I say service it? Well, here's something you guys haven't never seen. Come on. Scooch. It stinks like ducks in here. You guys are going up to the front of the house where it's warmer out because we can't have Mr. Cody eat any more of yous. Oh, hey, what are you doing down there? Oh boy. It stinks like ducks in here. End up moving that gator so we can get that 8300 out so it can go to the farm and be buffed out and serviced. Snow's a little deep here, but hey, it is what it is. We don't really use this when it is cold out. Pick it. Sounds sweet with that tip on it, I think. Following Jason back over as to not get the tractor dirty. Just something about a green and yellow tractor that looks all pretty in the snow. John Deere 8300 has 5,700 engine hours. And it's gonna get buffed out because just by looking at it, it says to me that it has sat out its whole life. Just at the way the paint is faded on it. Says a lot about a tractor, in my mind. Not so sure about your guys' mind, but you know what? I'm the one making the videos, okay? Kind of find it strange, and maybe the previous owner didn't order it, with the fender flashers, but this is weird not to have an 8000 series tractor without fender flashers. The 2745 Massey had 4-ways that were hanging off the front end, kind of, that stuck out the side of the cab about, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches or so, and you could see it front or back. That's 86 International. We put aftermarket fender 4-ways on it. The 7800 has the aftermarket 4-ways on it, I believe. Yes, it has the aftermarket ones. The 7810, although I feel that has the factory ones on it. And this one does not, for some reason. Oh well. Gosh, I would have loved to throw the camera up in a cab with Jason, but he got going too quick for me to do anything with. So that would have been an awesome view, looking out that nice big glass cab, just looking down a snowy road. But you know what? Can't have the best of everything. We'll get to run it soon enough. Most likely it'll be the recovery tractor for when we get that brush hog stuck in the pasture again. I shouldn't laugh, because I know all too well that the chances of that happening are really, really great. We don't want to hook the mower to this tractor, the Batwing, and get this pig stuck, because we won't have anything big enough to pull it out with. Now, if the 7800 or 7810 was on the brush hog, then we would have all kind of pulling power to pull this tractor on out of here, or I should say pull the 7800 out of the mud. I don't know, I think we might name that one Big Bertha. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. So what I gotta do is move a couple of things out of the way here. That'll work. Are you going to try and stack that one on top of the other one? When we get a piece of cardboard, if I help guide you? Well, because you're going to be off kilter then. What's that? Well, do we want to let room to get to that box though? Why don't you come look at the situation? Why can't we put them side by side? Would that work? No. You know? We can put that cart over there on the other side of the grinder, let that where it is. But if you put that there and you move that, it's going to be kind of tight. What, the grinder? Yeah. Oh, you got all kind of room over here. Look where your wheel tracks are.
Yeah, 'cause that's gonna bring you out to about right here.
Well, I only need just a little bit of room. You know, we could scooch it over just a little bit, and then we could put the other one here if we wanted to, you know.
Or you just scoot this up and put it in front of you.
Well, you can have enough concrete here though to do that.
Yep.
Okay. Good. Great, love it. Gonna take the truck back up. Get my skid loader. We need to bed barns, and we need to yeah, we need to bed the barns. And we need to yeah. Much better.
Okay.
Get this one the heck out of here. Going back on across, and Jason going back at 8300 right on in between the door here. There we go. Right just like that. Oh my gracious. Wait, just for good measures. There, makes me feel better.